Oven roasted lemon chicken. Ladies and gentlemen, we are back with another banger. And you are gonna absolutely love this one just like the other recipes. I'm letting you know right now. This is very simple, but very, very flavorful, and I'm about to show you how it's done. So let's get started. Alright, so you do want to begin with a stick of unsalted butter at room temperature. And what I'm doing here is just squeezing the juice of half a lemon right on in there. And we're gonna throw in our seasonings as well. This is my little all-purpose seasoning blend. All the ingredients will be listed on the screen and in the description box as well. So you want to go ahead and mix that up until it's well combined. Moving on, I have my baking pan and I'm tossing in my gold potatoes that I have chopped up. I made a little boo-boo here. You want to go ahead and oil up your potatoes and, season it up with a little bit of salt and pepper. My bad, okay? But you will get a bunch of yummy goodness from that juice that's gonna fall down from this butter, and the juice from the chicken. It's gonna also go into these potatoes as well. But like I said, you do want to salt and pepper these bad boys. So what I'm doing here, I got that yummy butter and I'm just smearing it all over this chicken. You want to go ahead and do that under the skin, on top of the skin, on the bottom of the chicken. You want to make sure it's well coated up. And as you can see, we're using 4 chicken thighs, but you could use leg quarters, you could use chicken breast, you could use any cut of chicken you like. But you know me, I love chicken thighs, baby. So yes, go ahead and just make sure this butter is all over this chicken. You want to go ahead and toss in a couple of sprigs of rosemary as well. That's gonna add some yummy flavor to that butter on the bottom of the pan, as well as the aromatics. You know what I'm saying? It's awesome. As well as a couple lemon slices. You're gonna toss that in there as well. We're gonna bake this uncovered at 400 degrees for about an hour. You could probably take it out at 50 minutes. Keep an eye on it. But this is how you should be looking once you come out of the oven. I sprinkled a little bit of fresh parsley on top. And you also want to make sure to spoon that butter right on top of the chicken. Get it well coated and all that goodness. And go ahead and grab your finest china up out of the cabinet and plate up. You are ready to buzz down. This is a simple yet very, very delicious recipe, and you are gonna absolutely love it. I'm letting you know. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to like this one, subscribe if you're new, comment down below, let me know what you think. Also, don't forget to rock that notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest video. And I'll see you all on the next one. Deuces.